Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're taking a deep dive into something I know a ton of you are interested in, and that's getting your business finances right, specifically funding and cash flow.
It can be a bit of a minefield, to be honest.
Totally. Which is why we're looking at this course called Get Your Business Right, Unlock Funding and Cash Flow Solutions. It promises a step-by-step process to establish, enhance, and leverage business credit so you can secure funding, achieve financial stability, and scale your business effectively.
And crucially, without wasting time trying to figure it all out yourself.
Exactly. Time is money, as they say. So let's jump right in. What stood out to you when you were looking at this course material?
Well, the first thing that really struck me was the importance of business credit. I mean, it's absolutely vital for securing funding and achieving that financial stability we all want, right?
For sure. But I think a lot of people, maybe those just starting out, don't really grasp why business credit is so essential.
Right. Well, think of it this way. Having established business credit, it's kind of like having a golden ticket. It opens doors to loans, lines of credit, and, even favorable terms from suppliers.
Makes sense. It gives lenders and suppliers confidence that you're a safe bet.
Exactly. And for anyone listening, that translates to the power to grow and scale your business much more effectively. I mean, you're not constantly hitting roadblocks because of funding issues or, struggling to get supplies at a decent price.
Okay, so the course really emphasizes that business credit is key, but it also dives deep into setting up your business correctly from the very beginning to be able to access those funding options.
Yeah, it's all about laying the groundwork, right?
Absolutely. The course even calls it getting your business right. It's all about structure and making sure you don't run into issues when you're ready to grow.
Right, like I was thinking about it earlier, it's like building a house. If you don't get the foundation right, nothing you build on top is going to be stable.
Love that analogy. So this course walks you through the steps to build that strong foundation, which can be really helpful because, let's be honest, navigating business credit can be confusing and frustrating.
Yeah, it's one of those things that just makes you want to bang your head against the wall sometimes.
Tell me about it.
Yeah.
So the course provides specific checklists and resources, making it much more manageable.
Right, and it even has stuff on building both business and personal credit, which is something I think people often overlook.
Oh, that's interesting. I didn't realize there was such a strong link between personal credit and business success.
Oh, yeah, there's a definite connection, especially when you're first starting out.
Really?
Yeah, lenders and investors, they're basically looking at you as a whole package. So your personal credit history can actually impact your ability to secure funding and even attract investors.
That's huge.
Yeah.
I mean, it's your personal financial track record that's being evaluated.
Pretty much. And the course actually offers resources to help you address any personal credit challenges. So if that's something you're worried about, you're not alone and there's help available.
Okay, that's good to know. So let's say you get your personal credit in shape. You're working on building business credit. What happens next?
Well, the course doesn't shy away from the fact that the first year of operation can be a make or break time for a lot of businesses. And funding during that first year, forget about it, it can feel impossible.
Right. It's this catch-22.
Mm.
You need funding to grow,
Yeah.
but you need to be growing to get funding.
Exactly, which is why the course dives into all kinds of funding options specifically for that crucial first year. It talks about leveraging your personal credit, of course, but it also explores alternative financing sources like crowdfunding.
Crowdfunding.
Yeah, and microloans from various organizations, even peer-to-peer lending platforms, things you might not even know exist.
Right. And having that knowledge is power. It opens up so many more possibilities.
Yeah, it can really empower new business owners to make informed decisions about their financial future. I mean, knowledge is power, right?
100%. So you've navigated that first year, hopefully secured some funding, but now what? How do you make sure you don't end up in a cash flow crisis a few months down the line?
Cash flow, the eternal struggle.
Isn't it, though?
But for real, avoiding those cash flow problems is like priority number one for any business, big or small.
For sure. And this course really hammers that point home.
It does. And it doesn't just tell you to avoid problems, it gives you actual tools to do it, like
Okay.
budgeting techniques, strategies for building that long-term financial stability.
So we're talking about practical stuff, things you can implement right away.
Yeah. It covers forecasting your cash flow, managing expenses effectively, even optimizing your invoicing process to make sure you're getting paid on time.
I love that because let's be real. So much stress comes from not knowing where your next dollar is coming from
Hmm.
or when.
Oh, 100%. Understanding your cash flow takes away so much of that uncertainty. It's unbelievable.
You can breathe again.
Exactly. And when you can breathe, you can think clearly, make better decisions, and ultimately, feel so much more confident in your business.
Right. It's not just about the money. It's about that peace of mind.
Totally. And you know what else I thought was really cool? The course even gets into setting up financial dashboards and KPIs, key
Yeah.
performance indicators, so you can really track your progress and make informed decisions based on real data.
So it's all about taking control of your finances rather than letting them control you.
Exactly. And that kind of financial awareness, it can really make a huge difference in reducing stress and, boosting your confidence as a business owner. It's like, I got this.
It sounds like this course really emphasizes taking action and doesn't just leave you with a bunch of theory. It's like, here's what you need to know, and here's how you actually do it.
Oh, yeah, totally. It's all about actionable steps. It's got these modules that walk you through, like, step by step, how to actually implement the strategies.
Very cool.
And it also highlights, something that's really important, which is finding and utilizing a supportive community of other entrepreneurs.
That's so crucial. I mean, who else understands the ups and downs of starting and running a business better than other people who are going through it?
Exactly. Having that network of support can really make all the difference. It can be like a lifeline sometimes. You can bounce ideas off each other, share resources, celebrate successes, and, even just commiserate when things get tough.
Absolutely. So to sum up what we've learned today, setting up your business correctly from the start is crucial.
Like building that solid foundation.
Right. And your personal credit history matters more than you might think.
But don't worry, there are resources to help you fix any problems.
And finally, mastering cash flow is about so much more than just avoiding problems. It's about building long-term stability and that all-important confidence in your business.
And reducing stress. Don't forget reducing stress.
Yes. Less stress, more success.
I like that. I might steal that one.
Go for it. Okay, so after diving deep into all this, it begs the question, what's your first step going to be? What aspect of your business setup or financial strategy are you going to tackle first? Remember, this deep dive is just the start. There's a whole world of resources and strategies out there waiting to be explored, so keep learning, keep growing, and keep building that dream business.
That's what it's all about.
Thanks for joining us for this deep dive. We'll see you next time.
See ya.